My name is Sulaiman. I am 11 years old. My father's name is Hisham. He's an investor. My mother's name is Maria Fazina. She's a lecturer. My favorite color is green. I like to eat steak and drink chocolate milk. My favorite subject is English. My best friend's name is Ethan. I like to watch One Piece. My hobby is playing video games. I am happiest when my dad bought me a new laptop. And when I grow up, I want to be a scientist. I love my parents because they always love me and always care about me. Thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sulaiman. Today I'm going to tell you a story about the boy who cried wolf. Once there was a shepherd boy who had to look after a flock of sheep. One day he felt bored and decided to play a trick on the villagers. He shouted, "Help! Wolf! Wolf!" The villagers heard his cries and rushed out of the village to help the shepherd boy. When they reached him, they asked, "Where is the wolf?" The shepherd boy laughed loudly. "Ha ha ha! I put all of you. I was only playing a trick on you." A few days later, the shepherd boy played this trick again, and he cried, "Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf!" Again, the villagers rushed to the hill to help him again. They found that boy had tricked them. They were very angry with the boy being so naughty. Then, sometime later, a wolf went in the field. The wolf attacked one sheep, and then another and another. The shepherd boy ran towards the village shouting, "Help! Help! Wolf! Help somebody!" The villagers heard his cries, but they laughed because they thought it was another trick. The boy ran toward the nearest villager and said, "A wolf is attacking the sheep. I lied before, but this time it is true." Finally, the villagers went to look. It is true. They could see the wolf running away and many dead sheep lying on the grass. We may not believe someone who often tells lies, even when he tells the truth. Thank you. Bye.